Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the price training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today you'll learn service styles, the core rules that never change, the left versus right logic, how to execute American plated, English family, French silver, buffet, and Butler tray plus service, plus tableside finishing, beverage and alignment, clearing order, at sea adjustments, what to say at the table, and quick drills, and a micro quiz. Start with the core rules that never change. Polish everything that touches guests. Stems, cutlery, plates, and handle items by stems and handles only. Follow the outside in cutlery logic and make sure knife blades face in. Serve the host last unless the principal requests otherwise. Use the default left-right rule. Serve plated food from the right and clear from the right. Serve and clear platters for the French silver from the left. Place bread and side plates on the left. Serve beverage from the right. Do a quiet 2-bite check after first sips or bites to confirm satisfaction. When the sea is moving, use non-slip on side stations. Don't overfill plates or glasses and carry lower than usual. American, also called plated service, is the yacht standard. Food is portioned in the galley and you deliver finished plates. Set the table to the menu, no extra flatware. Put the charger down before sitting and remove it before the main, unless your SOP says otherwise. At the side station, stage hot cloths, a crumber, spare cutlery, napkins, backup water and wine, and a tray jack if your yacht allows it. Back check plates in the pantry for clean rims. Secure garnishes and correct seat numbers. At the table, announce softly, your starter. Serve from the right. Women first unless the host directs, and the host last. Place the plate with the emblem at 12 o'clock. After 2 bites, check quietly. Clear from the right in the same order and crown before dessert. Carry a safe maximum of 2 or 3 plates or use a tray per your SOP. Keep plates level. Have a teammate open doors. Now standards. Set plates down silently, no sleeve drag, no tray touching the table, and land all plates for a 6 stop within about 90 seconds. Fix common mistakes like wipe rims in the pantry to prevent sauce drips. Don't linger at the host before everyone is served. Keep the rhythm, then check. Drill. Time of 4 cover deploy. Plates out within 60 seconds and a silent clear within 60 seconds. Now let's talk about English service, also called host or family style. Means food arrives on serving platters and either the host serves or guests help themselves. Use it for casual lunches, barbecues, kids' meals, shared sides, or a roast carved by the host. Prepare platters with liners or non-slip and pair each with serving spoons, forks, or tongs. Leave table parking spots for platters using heat-proof mitts. Keep hot items covered or in chafers and keep cold items on crushed ice. For host serve, present the platter to the host first and announce the dish. Once they portion, offer to each guest clockwise or place the platter center table if told to do so. Watch levels and replenish with a fresh platter. Never top appetite on the table. For family style, place platters symmetrically within reach. Put the protein closest to the host. Offer sauces last on small trays and mind drips. Clear empties promptly and crown before dessert. Standards: point utensil handles toward the user and never keep rest utensils on the cloth. Keep platter edge pristine and rotate or replace before they look worked. Avoid common mistakes. Don't crowd the table. Pre-map your parking spots and don't mix allergens. Label and separate utensils, and you can drill. Lay a table and place 4 platters so every guest can reach at least one comfortably. Check sidelines. Now let's talk about French or silver service. That means you plate at the table from a platter using a spoon and fork like tongs. Choose these for formal dinners, VIP tastings, or delicate portions like carp loin or whole fish service where the table presentation matters. Serve from the left and clear from the right. Hold the platter in your left hand. Master the utensil grip. In your right hand, the large spoon sits in your palm. The fork lies over the spoon with tines down, guided by your index finger. Together they act like tongues. Scoop with the spoon underneath and guide gently with the fork from above. Confirm the plate is hot and ready. Approach from the left and say, "May I serve you the sea bass?" Tilt the platter slightly toward the plate. Portion smoothly away from the guest and avoid sauce splashes. Back in the pantry, wipe the platter edge and refresh garnish if needed. Standards: keep portions consistent, ideally within about plus or minus 10 grams. Never hover the platter over other guests. Stay square to the plate with elbows closed. And fix the mistakes. Don't knock garnish off the rim. Slow down the last 2 centimeters and use the fork to place, not push. Don't serve right-handed from the right in an awkward overreach. Plan your approach. You can practice the spoon and fork grip with cold pasta shells and cherry tomatoes until you can place 5 out of 5 neatly. Now we can talk about buffet service. Buffet service is all about flow, labeling, and temperature. Make the flow direction obvious from left to right. Plates first, cutlery after plates, napkin last. Label every dish and add allergens tags. Provide 1 utensil per dish and change or replace them often. Keep hot food above 60 degrees, so 140 Fahrenheit, and cold food below 5 degrees, so 41 Fahrenheit, using chafers or ice baths. Run small batches and refresh often. Never stir all food into new. Guest tables, preset water and wine, and at least a fork and knife. Clear empty quickly and crumb before dessert. Avoid mistakes. Don't overfill chafers. Stews will boil and dry out. Keep shallow pans and top up often and prevent bottlenecks and sauces by splitting them into 2 identical stations. You can sketch a 6-dish line marks the traffic jams and rearrange to fix them. This will be your drill. For Butler or tray pass canapés, you'll circulate with a tray of canapés or drinks. Set the tray with a liner, non-slip, and identical canapés are arranged in a clean rows. Place neatly folded napkins on the tray and add service tongs if items are sticky. Balance the tray on your left hand and forearm. Serve with your right. Do a quick lap to the host, then move clockwise through the guests. Offer with a short line. Smoked salmon blini contains dairy and gluten. May I? After 2 or 3 bites taken around you, preset a napkin and quietly clear cocktail sticks into a hidden ramekin. Rotate trays, hot and cold, and never mix allergen-free with the standard items. For drink pass, pour light, keep glassware at the chest height on the tray and never reach across a guest. Replace empties properly and wipe the tray edge between rounds. Avoid mistakes, don't overload the tray, stability beats heroics, and always know the allergen worn liner for each canopy. So as a drill, you can walk figure 8 with a weighted non-slip tray and practice a smooth offer and withdraw in 10 minutes. If your yacht does Gueridon tableside finishing, think safely and show. Lock trolley brakes, use flame guards for flammable, keep fuel minimal, and have a fire blanket nearby. Let guests see, not feel, the preparation. No splashes. Wipe and tidy the trolley surface between tasks so the edges stays clean. Keep beverage service aligned across all styles. Sequence typically runs water, then aperitif, then white, then red, then dessert wine, tea or coffee, or follow your pairing plan. Pour from the right with the label facing the guest. Fill wine to a third or half the bowl and avoid over icing whites. For top ups, observe and offer quietly between sentences so you never cut a story in half. Follow a clean service order and clear in order. Serve ladies first, then gentlemen, then the host. Moving clockwise unless the host directs otherwise. Clear finished plates together clockwise and never clear in front of someone still eating the same course. Crumb the table before dessert using a silent crumber and side plate. Now, when you're at sea, make small adjustments. Use heavier base plates and low profile glassware. Fill liquids slightly below normal. Secure decanters, sauce bowls, and tray jacks with a non-slip. When moving, aim for 3 points of contact, 2 feet and hands whenever possible. Now here is exactly what to say in different styles. For the plated styles, your beef fillet truffle juice on the side. For the French silver style, may I serve you the sea bass with fennel? English family style, roast chicken for sharing. Potatoes are just beside you. May I place the juice here? Buffet style, the spicy dish is labeled in red. Nut-free items are marked NF. Butler pass, tuna 30 pounds sesame crisp contains sesame. May I offer you one? How to fix common mistakes fast. If you served from the wrong side in French silver, reset and serve from the left. With the platter in your left hand. If plates are cooling, stagger the galley sand, reduce the table chat, and use properly warmed plates. If portions are uneven in French service, pre-mark portions on the platter and keep a mental count. If a buffet is congested, duplicate popular dishes or sauces and widen rich zones. If a tray wobbles, reduce the load, center the weight, and take one slow breath before moving. Use these practice drills to build muscle memory in 10 or 20 minutes. Spoon and fork service. Move 10 grape tomatoes from platter to plate with 0 drops. Plated deploy. Serve a 4 top starter, plate level. Right side approach in 60 seconds or less. Family style map. Set a table for 6 and place 3 platters so nobody has to stretch. Butler pass. Circulate a room with chairs placed. Offer canapés and clearly state contains eggs each time. And now it is a micro quiz time. In American service, from which side do you serve and clear? In French service, which hand holds the platter and which side do you serve from? Name 2 ways to avoid buffet bottlenecks. What's the correct sequence for wine versus water at table? During Butler Pass Canapés, what must you always say if relevant? Pick the service styles that matches the moment. Then nail the left right rules, carrying method, and timing. Keep movement quiet, place level, portions consistent, and language crisp. If guests feel looked after and uninterrupted, you nailed it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's service style checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. Have a nice day and see you on the next lesson. Bye!